Hello folks, Step Gardener here, hoping I'll be of some service. Today we're doing the old carrots. As you can see, I've already got some of them done. And like I said, if you plant them in any pots, all you gotta do, there'll be a hole in there, I know, just bang them into it, and that's it. There's nothing too fancy about that, but as I'm sure if you watch them programs on a Monday as I do, for a wee bit of comic relief, you'll see that they're having problems growing carrots. I don't understand why, but it's one of the most easiest plants in the world to grow. Oh, fired a wee bit too far there. And that's the last one there now. That's them all buried, that's them all done. These carrots here are going to be the ones for going about the January March time. Keep me free, the lean times. So, Step Gardener here. Hope you're all keeping well.